Hello students, I welcome you all to the revision session of the chapter Ear to Ear. Students, we already know about 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Ears are sense organs that help us in hearing sounds. It also helps in maintaining the balance of our body. Like us, animals also have ears. Some animals have big ears, some have small ears. Some animals have external ears and some have internal ears. Let us revise animals with external ears. You can see the animals whose ears we can see. Look at the ears of cow, goat and zebra. Ears of these animals are of different sizes and shapes. Look at this rabbit. It has long ears on the top of its head. And deer has ears like leaves. Where are the ears of these animals? Look carefully. The ears of dog and buffaloes are on both sides of their heads. Elephant has big ears. The shape of ears of elephant is just like fan. The ears of elephant also help it to keep cool. Do you notice these animals have visible ears? We can see them easily. Some animals have internal ears, mean we cannot see their ears. Can you see a bird's ear? No. A bird has tiny holes on both sides of its head. These holes are covered with feathers. The holes are ears of bird. These holes help the bird to hear. Look at the tiny holes of these animals. These holes help the animal to hear. We cannot see ears of reptiles and fish. Like ears, animals also have different types of body covering. Some animals have hair or fur on their body. Some animals, like birds, have feathers, and reptiles have scales or shell on their body. Some animals have smooth skin like frog. Mammals have hair or fur on their skin. Look at the cat and horse. You can see hair on their body, and polar bear has thick fur on its body. Hair or fur help in protecting organs and regulating body temperature. Look at these beautiful birds. Birds have feathers as their body covering. Feathers protect the skin and provide warmth to bird. Some animals have scales as their body covering. Crocodiles and snakes have dry scales, whereas fish have wet scales. Turtles have shells as their body covering. Do you notice these animals do not have visible ears? Look at these animals. These animals have hair on their body and we can see their ears. These animals give birth to their young ones and feed them. These are called mammals. Look at these birds: penguin, hen, parrot. These birds lay eggs. The little chicks come out from these eggs. Reptiles and fish also lay eggs. Kids, from these observations, we get that animals whose ears you can see have hair on their body. These animals give birth to young ones. Animals whose ears you cannot see have feathers or scales on their body. These animals lay eggs. Students, now we can classify these animals as mammals, birds, reptiles, fish. Let us revise their features or characteristics. Animals that give birth to their young ones and produce milk are called mammals. Look at this pig and its piglet. Mammals have external ears. We can see the ears of this deer. Mammals have hair or fur on their bodies. Human being is also a mammal. We all have hair on our body. Dolphin, blue whale and bat are also considered as mammals as they give birth to young ones. Birds have feathers and wings as their body covering. Look at the eagle. Eagle has long broad wings. Birds' ears cannot be seen. Their ears are covered with feathers. Look at the hole on the head of this bird. This is an ear of this bird. Birds lay eggs. Penguins and ostriches are flightless birds. Reptiles crawl on the ground and lay eggs. Look at this snake with its eggs. We cannot see ears of these animals. Reptiles have internal ears. A tiny hole helps them to hear. Look at the tiny hole on the head of lizard. Reptiles have dry scales on their bodies. Fish live in water and have scales and fins. It also breathes through its gills. Look at the scales of the fish in the picture. Fish also have internal ears. We cannot see it. It also has a hole on its head which help it to hear. Fish lay eggs. You can see eggs in the picture. Students, we have revised our topic of different types of animals and their features. Now, let us revise about our national animal, tiger. Tiger is the national animal of India. It is found in forests or reserved areas of different states in India like Karnataka, Assam, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal. Bengal tiger is considered to be an endangered species as the number of this animal is rapidly going down in India. Home assignment. Write any two characteristics of the following: mammals, reptiles, birds, fish. Students, we have completed revision of our chapter year to year. Bye bye. Have a nice day.